Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English instructor and welcome to my English coaching class. Currently we are at unit number 15, Children Around the World. Our today's lecture is lecture number 4A and the competency that we are targeting through this lecture is oral communication. Our today's topic is role playing in drama. Before jumping on to our topic, let's have a look at the SLO first. Explore complex ideas and issues in drama. Establish roles and apply dramatic approaches with confidence. We have also provided the vertical linkage for you. But before that, let's have a quick brainstorming session. Do you remember what is a drama? Can you please tell me what is a drama? Let's learn about it. Drama is a type of storytelling that is meant to be acted out in front of an audience. It usually has characters, dialogue, and a plot. Drama can be serious, funny, exciting, or emotional, and it's often performed in plays, movies, or TV shows. It helps people express feelings and ideas through acting, movement, and speech. So, what is drama? Drama is a type of storytelling. इसमें कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, इसमें डायलॉग्स होते हैं और इसका एक प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस ऑफ प्लॉट होता है एंड थ्रू दैट प्लॉट कैरेक्टर्स अपनी फीलिंग्स का, अपने इमोशंस का इजहार करते हैं. एक्सप्लोरिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स आइडियाज इन ड्रामा. Drama helps us understand deeper ideas like friendship, bravery, love, or even tough issues like bullying or honesty. So, dramas का theme बहुत वसी हो सकता है. Dramas can teach us about different themes such as bravery, chivalry, bullying, harassment, love, hatred, friendship, anything. Next is understanding drama roles. Every play has different roles or characters. These roles could be main character, जिसको हम protagonist भी कहते हैं, the hero और heroine. फिर है villain, जिसको हम antagonist भी कहते हैं, the character that causes trouble. मेन कैरेक्टर और विलन के अलावा सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स भी होते हैं, जैसे कि फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली मेंबर्स और साइड किक्स. सो किसी भी ड्रामा में इनमें से या तो सारे कैरेक्टर्स हो सकते हैं या कुछ कैरेक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. आगे देखें. ड्रामेटिक अप्रोचेस. ड्रामेटिक अप्रोचेस आर वेज वी कैन एक्ट एंड एक्सप्रेस ourselves on stage. Voice. Use your voice clearly and with emotion. Body language. Use gestures and movements to show how you feel. Confidence. Stand tall, speak clearly, and believe in your role. So, what are the different dramatic approaches? डिफरेंट ड्रामेटिक अप्रोचेज ऐसी अप्रोचेज होती हैं जिनके जरिए हम अपने कैरेक्टर को पोर्ट्रे करते हैं स्टेज के ऊपर. हम अपनी आवाज के साथ, हम अपनी बॉडी मूवमेंट्स के साथ और हम अपने कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपने रोल को पोर्ट्रे करते हैं स्टेज के ऊपर. Here is your classroom activity. Playing detective. Understand the scenario. Choose your roles. Rehearse the dialogues. Work on your tone and then perform the play within the class. So here we have provided the scenario for you. Imagine a person is on a train in a foreign country, enjoying the scenic journey. Then he suddenly realizes that his luggage bag is missing. He decides to play detective and find his lost bag. He starts by interrogating other passengers, hoping to unravel the mystery. He approaches his fellow travelers one by one. He asks them if they have seen anything unusual or if they noticed anyone acting suspiciously. The passengers share their stories and offer clues, some of which seem promising, while others lead to dead ends. Some passengers recall seeing a person hastily leaving the train at the previous station, while others remember hearing strange noises coming from the luggage compartment. So, here we have provided the entire scenario for you. What are you supposed to do? First, choose your roles. Okay? आपने कौन सा रोल प्ले करना है? Then, rehearse the dialogues. After rehearsing the dialogues, work on your tone. जिस तरह का कैरेक्टर है, जिस तरह के डायलॉग्स हैं, उसी तरह की आपकी टोन भी होगी. And then perform the play within the class. Here is your homework. Name a drama, play or movie you have watched recently. What would you do? Write down the main idea or message of the story in 2 to 3 sentences. List 3 characters from that drama or movie. For each character, write if they are the hero, protagonist, villain, antagonist, or supporting characters. We have also provided a simulation for your comprehensive and further understanding. And apart from this PowerPoint presentation and the simulation, we have listed all the essential resources for you. Thank you very much.